Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Karim Hajjar, Customer Success Manager at Insomnia Computer Solution, a Microsoft Gold Partner specialized in the cloud and in digital transformation. I'm going to show you how to get started with Microsoft Power App to create state-of-the-art application.
Power App is a suite of apps, services, connectors, and data platform that provides a rapid application development environment to build custom apps for your business needs. Using Power Apps, you can quickly build custom business apps that connect to your business data stored either in the underlying data platform or in various online and on-premises data sources such as SharePoint, Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, SQL Server, and so on. In order to access to Power Apps online, open your favorite browser, enter the URL office.com, After entering your credential, you will obtain this page. Go to the app launcher, click on it. Then after that, click on all apps, scroll down until you will find Power Apps. Click on it. You will obtain this page. So this is the home screen of Microsoft Power Apps Online. If you want to download the application Power Apps, open the Microsoft Store, search for Power Apps, click on it. After that, click on Get. Once it is downloaded and installed, click on Launch. The application Microsoft Power Apps will load and start running, as you can see. Before we start creating our Power App application, we need to collect the data. So in order to do that, let's open our favorite browser and type this URL, ourworldindata.org. And we are going to focus on life expectancy. Here we go. And we are going to download this dataset, which is lifeexpectancy.csv. After downloading our dataset, I have opened it using Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, it has 4 columns: entity, which contain the country name, the code, which is the code of the country, the year, and the life expectancy. So for every country, for example, as you can see for Afghanistan here, we have it from the year 1950 until 2019. And this for all the countries of the world. The objective of the Microsoft Power App application that I'm going to create deal with life expectancy for all Arab countries. And also I just want to have only from year 2010 until year 2019. So I came up with this Excel sheet. So as you can see here, we have the country code, for example, Algeria from 2010 till 2019, and in front of it, okay, the life expectancy in front of every year. And if we scroll down, we have all the Arab countries, okay, till the last one, which is Yemen. I have created another Excel file from the dataset by just keeping the country code of the Arab country plus the country name. As you can see here, we have all the Arab country, their code and their country names. And this one will be useful in the Microsoft Power App application that I'm going to create in few minutes. The next step is to convert the two datasets that I showed you previously by opening them in Microsoft Excel. We need to convert them into a table. Let's do that. For the first file, okay, which I have opened right now, as you can see, I'm going to select the whole data by pressing Ctrl A to select it all. Then after that, I will go to the menu Insert, and I will select Table, and I click OK. Then now we just give a name to the table by putting life expectancy. Okay, and we will save this file by doing File Save As. Okay, browse, and we'll mention here transform it in table. Click Save. Okay, let's repeat the same steps for the second Excel file. This is the second one. Okay, I'm going to select the whole data by pressing Ctrl A. Then I will go to the menu Insert. I click on Table. Then I check here my table has header. Click OK. And I will rename my table Countries and Codes. Enter. Then after that I will save that by doing File Save As, Browse, and I just mentioned here the new name, transform it in table, then I click Save. Let's start now creating our Power Apps application. Okay, so in order to do that, we have to click on Create. Okay, and I'm going to use Canvas app from blank. Click on it. Here we need to decide for the format. Is it for tablet or for phone? I will select phone, and I'm going to name this application Life Expectancy. Then Create. We will come to this page. Okay, I'm going to click on Skip, or if you want that this dialog box will not come again, I click on Don't Show Me Again, and I click on Skip. Let's configure the data source. In order to do that, we click on the data here and connectors, see all connectors, and you click Import from Excel. And we are going to select the file that we have just transformed previously. Countries and code transformed in table.xls. Click Open. Okay, we click on countries and code here and connect. So our data source is already added. Okay, next step is to design the graphical user interface of our app. We click on the tree view and we'll come to the screen one. Double click. We are going to change it to src main. Okay, done. Now I'm going to insert a gallery by going to insert, then gallery, and I will choose vertical. Okay, so I'll select the data source that I just added previously. And here I click on the fields in order to change it. Click on edit. For the title I just want here the country name, and for the subtitle I just want the country code. Okay, and I'm going to expand that. And after that I will change here the name, gal, countries and codes. Next is to add a label here. And I will type the text, the name of my application, life expectancy up. We will change its layout by going to Home, fill color blue, and for the color of the font I will choose white, and after that I will center that. Let's increase now the font of the text that we have here. Okay, so put 32 for example. Okay, then I'm going to change the layout of the gallery. Okay, I can select it here or by just clicking here. Both give me the same result, and I'm going to change the layout as I told you. Instead of having image, title and subtitle, I just want to remind you that in my dataset I don't have an image, so I'm going to change it just title and subtitle. It will be updated. Okay, we can have a preview of the app by clicking on the play here, and this will be the preview. Of course, for the time being, clicking on this right arrow, okay, will not give you anything because we didn't associate an action to this button. Okay, so click here, don't show me again. I can have the possibility to preview the app without pressing the play button by pressing the Alt key, and after that I have the possibility to preview the app. Okay. We notice that once we have changed the layout, okay, the order of the fields has changed, so let's change it again. So we click on GAL countries and code, go to fields. For the title one will be the country name, and for the subtitle it will be the country code. Okay, that's changed. Okay, we are going to add a new screen, a blank one. We'll change its name to SRC Life Expectancy. Okay. Now we go to Insert and we add a gallery, vertical. Okay, let's put it in the position that you want and extend it. Okay, then we change here GAL, life expectancy. Okay, then we need to select the data source. Okay, click here, connectors, see all connectors, import from Excel, and we select life expectancy Arab country transformed. We select life expectancy here and we click on connect. We change the fields, click on edit. Okay, so what we want is we want to have the life expectancy as the subtitle, and we need to have the year as the title. Let's change the layout right now. Okay, so we wanted to have title and subtitle. We will change the fields again. The title 2 will be the year. Subtitle will be the life expectancy. Okay, and we don't need this button. We delete. Let's add the label. We select the screen, SRC life expectancy, insert, and a label. Okay, we put it where we want, like that, and we change the title. Life expectancy by year. Go to home. We'll change the color white. Change the field color to be blue, and we center that. Next, we will add an icon in order that we will have the possibility to go back. So we go to Insert, Icons, and we are going to select Home. Okay, let's put it here. And we can even change the color to white. Here we go. Let's manage the navigation between the two screens. So what we want is that once the user will click on the icon home, it will go to the SRC main. So let's select the home icon. We go to action, then navigate, and we select SRC. Let's try. Okay, click on home. it will go back to the first screen. Done. Okay, now we select the first screen SRC main. Then what we want is that this button, once we click on it, it will open the SRC life expectancy. We go to action, navigate, and we select SRC life expectancy. Okay, let's run now. Okay, we click, it will go to the life expectancy screen. We go click to home, it will go back to the home. We have noticed that once we run the app, click on home here, and we select whatever country, it's supposed to give me just the life expectancy for every Arab country selected from year 2010 till 2019, and not all of them. Okay, so whatever country I will choose, it is always giving me, okay, all the life expectancy from 2010 till 2019 for every Arab country. So let's solve that. In order to do that, we will select the SRC life expectancy. Then after that, the gallery GAL life expectancy. And we are going to apply a filter. We'll come here and we will use the function filter, parenthesis, okay, life expectancy, comma. Then we want that the country code will be equal to the GAL countries and code, which is this gallery, and we want the one that is selected, so we click dot and selected. Okay, not selected, there is a mistake here. And we want that it will be equal to the country code. Okay, and we close the parentheses. Let's run now the app. Okay, now if I will select Algeria, it's giving me the life expectancy from 2010 till 2019. Bahrain, it will give me 2010 till 2019. Then Comoros from 2010 till 2019. Okay, now the application is fully working perfectly. Let's save our work. In order to do that, we click on File and Save that we have here, and we click on the button Save. Let's publish now our life expectancy Power Apps application. Okay, we click on Publish. Okay, so it will tell me, do you want to publish this version? Yes. Click on Publish this version. And it will be published. Let's share it now. So we can click on Share. It will open a new tab in your browser. And I'm going to share it with myself. Okay, it's telling me, okay, let's use another person. Let's share the application now. In order to do that, we click on the button share, and here we can share the application with our colleagues, for example. Okay, we can decide as a co-owner, so if it is the case, so she can use edit, share up, but not delete or change all. Okay, so I'll just share it as just for viewing it, and I click on share. Okay, this.
I hope you get the points and get useful information about Microsoft Power Apps. Hope to see you soon in the next session. Thank you so much and have a nice day.